New appeal filed by Amber Heard against Johnny Depp following defamation ruling. The $10 million defamation judgment against Johnny Depp has been challenged by Amber Heard in a Virginia court. The majority of her legal staff has also been replaced. Less than a month after Pirates of the Caribbean actor Johnny Depp filed his own appeal, Hollywood actor Amber Heard appealed the $10 million defamation verdict in the Virginia court. The majority of Amber Heard's legal team has reportedly been replaced, and the new group is fighting for the First Amendment and calling out trial court judge Penny Ascarrett 6 months after a jury found Heard guilty of defaming her ex-husband. Heard said that the verdict undoubtedly will have a chilling effect on other women who seek to talk about abuse involving prominent men and documents obtained by the American celebrity news source E! News. The report also stated that even if the court disagreed with the entirety of the aforementioned, the jury's award of $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages to Depp is unquestionably excessive given the limited time frame for which Depp could recover. Heard's appeal also made mention of Depp's 2020 libel action against The Sun. He has filed a lawsuit against the British tabloid newspaper after being called a spouse abuser. The Aquaman star claims that a high court judge's decision against Depp should have prevented their defamation action from ever reaching court. After Depp filed this complaint, the United Kingdom High Court of Justice determined in a separate defamation action brought by Depp that Heard's abuse allegations were accurate, concluding that Depp mistreated Heard on many occasions according to E! News. The document was read. In April and May of 2022, the U.S. complaint was heard in a courthouse in Fairfax, Virginia. In a 2018 op-ed for The Washington Post, Heard was accused of defaming Depp by referring to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Depp stated that even though the op-ed did not expressly mention him, it damaged his reputation and destroyed his career. After 2 years of marriage, Heard and Depp divorced a year before to the opus publication. Heard claimed that Depp had abused her emotionally, physically, and sexually during their relationship, for a number of reasons, including the claim that one of the jurors came up to the trial despite never receiving a summons. Heard's attorneys had earlier requested Judge Penny Ascarrett to overturn the decision from the U.S. trial. According to Variety, the judge had rejected that request.